Hi everyone, today is August the 25th, 2021. This is Dr. Fryer, and in this screencast I'd like to show you how to screencast with your Chromebook, with ChromeOS, because as of this summer with Chrome 89, you no longer need to install something like Screencastify to make a basic screencast. To do something fancy like have your picture in it, you do, but to make a basic screencast, you don't. So you need to make sure that your screencasting software is updated in order to do this. And if you do want to, make a fancier screencast, install Screencastify, but you don't have to for a basic one. So the steps to do this are on the Chromebook, which I'm going to demonstrate here in just a minute. You're going to hold down three keys. You're going to press Shift and Control, which are both in the bottom left corner of your screen, and then you're going to press the button that's the Show Windows button. It looks like a rectangle with two vertical bars right beside it. So you're going to press that. And what that does is it's going to bring up a menu at the bottom and let you decide, do you want to take a screenshot or do you want to screen record? And we're going to choose screen record, which looks like that video camera icon. And for this assignment, we're going to record in full screen. So you're going to click the button on the left that is a basically dotted box, and that's going to be full screen. Okay. And when you're done, you're just going to go to the bottom of your screen and you're going to click the little circle with a square in it, and that is going to stop your recording. All right. So for your screencast, you're just like I did for this screencast, you're going to want to put you're going to say your first name only. You're going to say the date. Tell that you're going to be doing a tour of your Minecraft build, and then in 2 minutes or less, I want you to take me on a tour. And if you're in 6th grade, you also did a hidden and special feature of your build. And I want you to talk about what the most challenging part of your build was. Okay? All right, so let's see this in action. So I'm actually on my Chromebook. You're seeing my Chromebook screen here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to minimize this, and I'm going to go ahead and open up Minecraft. Okay, so I have got Minecraft running. I'm going to navigate to the spot where I want to do my screencast, and it's dark, that's fine, but I'm right here by my bridge, so I'm ready to go. I'm going to press escape. Now on your Chromebook, if you start to see the screen flickering a little bit, that's okay. I don't think that actually affects your screencast, so that's going to be okay. I'm going to press these special keys now. I'm going to notice I pressed escape so that I'm paused for my game. I'm going to hold down Control, Shift, Show Windows, and look what happens. Down here at the bottom, I can choose Screenshot. Nope, I don't want that. I want a screen recording. So I'm going to tap on the little camera. And then instead of doing just a region, I'm going to choose this first one. So I'm going to be recording my entire screen. Now there's one other thing that I forgot to mention, and that is here on the settings. Make sure that it's set to record your microphone. If it is turned off and the microphone has a line through it, we're not going to hear your voice. So make sure that is selected. And then you can just, as it says, click anywhere to record full screen, and it'll give me a countdown. So I'll go ahead and click there. The countdown starts. I'll resume. Hi everybody, this is Dr. Fryer. Today's August the 25th, and 2021, and I'd like to give you a little tour of one of the bridges that some of our students have been building. So I think this is Elizabeth and her partner's bridge, and look how they've got lanterns under here that are lighting it, and they've got stairs on either side. So their bridge is at least 3 blocks wide. It is actually, I think, 4 blocks, and it has to be 10 blocks long. So yay. I did not do this build, so I can't tell you what the hardest part of it is, but I look forward to seeing them talk about their build. All right, so there's my screencast. I'm going to press escape, and then I'm going to go down to the bottom, and you see that button right there that says stop screen recording? That's what I'm going to click, and that's it. I have now made my screen recording. So I'm going to go ahead and come up to the top of my screen and click the little flat line, which will minimize Minecraft, move it down, and then you can see here, I need to plug in my battery, but my screen recording is taken, and I can click to show it in the folder. So it has actually put this inside my downloads folder, and there it is. I can go ahead and double click it, and you're going to want to test it and make sure that the audio recorded. Hi everybody, this is Dr. Fryer. Today's August the 25th. Yay. 2021. and it worked. Okay, so that is the file that I am now going to turn in, and you're going to need to turn it in two places. You're going to go to Google Classroom and you're going to upload it there, and you're also going to turn it in Seesaw in the activity. Remember that you can use your Cassidy bookmarks in order to get to those locations, and I think that's about it. So I hope that's been helpful to you. Good luck. Remember, if you want to make fancier screencasts, you can use software like Screencastify, but to do a basic screencast, you don't have to anymore, and I think that's a really, really good thing. All right, thanks. Good luck with your screencasting.